When people pay, they pay attention. I'll say, and I guess this is something that PTs and online will be able to relate to, is a red flag in a prospect is someone that is constantly talking to you about price. If you're constantly badgering about price, then they're probably not going to be a good client. And the reason I say this is you might be able to get them on a lower price ticket, or you might offer them a discount, but they're usually the ones that cause the most headache and actually cause you that they require more time, and they're paying you less if you do them a little discount deal or something like that. So my advice on that is, if someone keeps pestering about price, or they keep pushing you to try and give them a discount, they're probably not going to be the best fit, and they're probably going to require more work than the people that pay more. Because
that's true.
What I've found is, there's a saying that a lot of the big fitness coaches say is like, there's no skin in the game when you do it for cheap or do it for free. When people pay, they pay attention. That's the reality. So